Hi friends, and welcome back to Decorate Your Life. So today's the day that we choose the winner for our Decorate Your Life Christmas in July YouTube Hop. But first, I would like to share with you that right now we are having a spectacular sale in our website. Selected merchandise is up to 50% off, so go ahead and check out Decor8yourlife.com. And I gotta tell you, I had to go through the winner picking process for it seemed like forever, about 5 or 7 different times, because we actually do check each and every single winner that we choose to make sure that they have followed the rules. And the rule was that you had to be a visible subscriber to all the channels in the lineup hop. And so some people had 2, others had 5, others had 6, others had 3. But and finally I came across this channel that was chosen by the random comment picker, and she, lo and behold, was subscribed to all 7 channels in the hop lineup. So congratulations, Fiverr Fancies. I keep wanting to say Francies. Congratulations, Fiverr Fancies. You are the winner of the digital copy of Vintage Christmas in Pink. So go ahead and email me at that email address so that I can send you your file. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you once again real soon. Bye now.